Good morning. How are you today? I'm excellent as usual, and I hope you are too. Today, let's look at a little Mac utility called Rocket. It makes it easy to type emoji characters without lifting your hand from the keyboard. Let's take a look. Once you install the Rocket utility, you can enter emoji characters just by typing the trigger character, in this case the colon, and then part of the name. So I want to get a smiley. There it is. Now, I didn't have to take my hand off the keyboard. I could go over here to this picker and see all of the emojis and pick the one that I want, but there's so many of them I get lost with that. Let's say I wanted the butterfly. If I knew I wanted the butterfly, all I have to do is type colon, B-U-T-T, there it is in the list. I go down arrow and I hit enter. So I haven't taken my hands off the keyboard. This works everywhere. So here's a mail. I love this white check mark. I use it to confirm that I got something, particularly in messages when I'm texting back and forth and somebody says, did it work out? And I can just send a check mark. This works everywhere. It works in pages. It works in almost anything. So if you want to start playing with emoji, you might want to get Rocket. Let me show you how to install it. So let's look for Rocket on the web. And rather than just searching for Rocket, I'm going to say Rocket Mac OS, because Rocket is so general, I get way too many things. So in DuckDuckGo, it's the first thing in the list. It might be different in your Google search and that, but it will be in there. And it's matthewpalmer.net/rocket. So let me click on that, or you could type it in if you'd like. And go to Matthew's page. Download Rocket for free. There's the download button. Let's click on it. See the little icon fly over because it's downloading. It's done. I go over to the download icon in the Safari menu bar. I can see there's my disk image for Rocket 7.9, I suppose, or 79, whatever. I double click on that to open it. And up it comes. There's the Rocket app. There's my applications folder. I'll drag it over and put it into applications. Now let me clean this up a little bit. I'm going to get rid of that. I need to run it once. I've just installed it, downloaded from the internet. Do you want to open it? Yes, I know what I'm doing. I know where I got this. And it's installed. There's the little rocket ship in my menu bar. The only thing that's really important here, for me at least, is the preferences. And you just want to make sure that you've got the box checked to start Rocket at login. And now it's ready. So if I open a document, open Pages, for example, here's some things I was playing with. I go down to the bottom of it and type thumbs up. There it is. Colon, check mark. Each time I type, somewhere on the page, up comes the little pop-up that lets me choose what I want. I haven't taken my hands off the keyboard. I can just keep typing. That's the beauty of Rocket. Do you need it? No. If you want to use emoji, does it help? Yes. So the Rocket app lets me enter emoji without lifting my hand from the keyboard. I end up using emoji more. And that's kind of fun. This is another video in the Tech Demos for You series. I'm Bill Vilberg. Have a best day.